Morning everybody, and welcome to another episode of Shamwari Lockdown Series. It's an incredible morning this morning. Sun is shining, slowly but surely heating up. We're going to be hitting the bushes, seeing what it's going to provide for us today. So stick with us and hopefully we get lucky. So over here we've got a very decent sized impala herd. Breeding herd at the moment, which generally consists of one male and a lot of females. At the moment it is rutting season, so this male shouldn't be holding this territory for too long a period of time. There's an incredible amount of fighting and generally just competition between the males. And right now you can also see some of them are eating a bit of grass, some of them are eating leaves. And that's because they're what we call mixed feeders, which is also one of the biggest reasons why they're one of the most common antelope in Africa. Generally they can survive in any habitat, whereas most of your animals, antelope specifically, would either eat grass, either eat leaves, so quite specialized. Over here we've got big kudu male and quite a young female. They've got incredibly large ears, and that's generally because of the habitat you find them in. Generally they'll be in very densely packed areas because they predominantly feed on leaves, and sound doesn't travel very far in these dense areas, so they need to be able to hear exceptionally well. They've also got the loudest alarm call out of any other antelope because of the same reason. If you have a look at the kudu over there, you'll see these white stripes on the flank. Now that is generally there to imitate sunlight coming through a canopy of trees. Because they're mainly found in these dense vegetation areas, that actually helps a lot for their camouflage. It's called counter shading. We've just come across some of the springbok, which is South Africa's national animal. And unlike a lot of your other antelope species, both your males and your females would have horns. Your males' horns in all cases would just be thicker and longer than the females' horns because they use their horns more often. Females would only use it for forms of defense, whereas males use it for fighting one another and for defense. And a lot of times in the springbok you'll see them jumping up doing what we call a pronk, and this would very often be to try and demoralize predators, showing predators how healthy and how fit they would be. A very, very cool close encounter with some elephants. Very relaxed with us today. Sorry, the sun is in a bit of a tough spot at the moment, but not much we can do about that. Very relaxed. So later in the mornings, as it starts warming up into the day, you'll find that a lot of your bigger herbivores will head down to water sources to have a drink, but also throw a bit of mud on themselves and cool down a little bit. A lot of interaction between all these elephants here. You'll hear a little trumpeting noise here and there. Also a very deep rumble. That would be a noise we call a tummy rumble, which is not a noise they make with their stomachs. It's make it with their voice box, but normally that is just for short range communication, etc. Incredibly social species. One of the closest social structures to human as far as animals are concerned. So very, very intricate social systems. See how nice and wet some of them have gotten, enjoyed their time in the water. Yeah, that one baby there is just about been completely submerged. They've enjoyed their time in the water, cooled down a little bit, and now they're going to be heading slowly but surely heading back into some of the thickets to feed further into the day. We hope you enjoyed your time with us today, and we definitely enjoyed our morning out. Keep safe everyone, give us a like, leave us a comment, and see you soon.